Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. We're in Aurora, Colorado today, up on a concrete tile roof. Gonna do a small repair. So as you can see here, I've got a couple of these tiles numbered and some over on the other side as well. So there's a total of about 16 here. In this video, I'm just gonna show you how to remove a tile, and later on in the day I'll show you how to replace a tile when the roof's already installed, so when it's kind of in the middle if you're doing a repair. Alright, so here are the tools that you're going to need. One crowbar, one hammer, and I'll let you guys know right now, this is going to be a lot easier, or it would be a lot easier if I wasn't also holding the camera. So what you want to do, we're going to remove this one. I've got a couple of pieces out already. They're right there. There's a nail that's holding this in, and it's either going to be there or there. I've already determined that this one is going to be over on this side. So here's what I'm going to do. Pull these broken pieces out. See, that piece is nailed in right there. This piece is just kind of stuck in there because of size. So, use my pry bar here to kind of lift the tile out that's next to it. And then, I'll use the pry bar to get to that nail that's under there and pull that nail out. Another thing I'm going to do is I've got this raised up here. I'm going to slide the hammer underneath there, kind of take the weight off of it, hold those ones up. I don't know if you can see, but there's that nail right there. So we're just going to remove the nail. Worked out a little bit. Like I said, easier if I'm not holding the camera with one hand. Switch hands so I can right-handed. I've got the nail most of the way out, so I'm just pulling on it here. Trying to work that nail out some more. Now I've got this one supported by the hammer, and this one supported by the crowbar, so I don't mind putting my fingers up underneath there. They're not going to get smashed, but that nail is still in there pretty good. So we're just wiggling it. There it goes. See? Came right out. Pull the last piece of tile out. Lay that one back into place. Pull the tools out, and boom, that's how you remove a tile. Be back with you in a few minutes to show you how to install one.